So the long A sounds like A, as in the word cake, C-A-K-E. Long E sounds like E, just like the name of the letter. Our key word for long E is keep, K-E-P. Do you hear the long E sound? Keep. Now, staying with the pattern, the long I sounds like I and is the middle sound of the word bike. B-I-K. The long I is also a two-sound vowel that ends in a brief Y sound. Listen again. I, bike. Long O is the middle sound of the word home. O-M. The long O ends in a brief W sound. Listen again. O, home. Long U is the middle sound of the word cute. K-U-T. Notice that the long U sound, U, begins with a very distinct Y sound. Without that Y sound, we only have oo, which is a different sound that we will study later. Can you hear the different middle sounds in the words cute and rule? Cute is said with U, rule is said with the oo sound. Now I'm going to say 5 words for each long vowel sound, and I want you to repeat after me. I know, if you're on the bus or in a public place, that is harder to do, but if you can, repeat after me. Long A, faith. Aim. Play. Grade. Safe. May. Long E, each. Eat. Team. Deep. Free. Long I, ice. Bright. Smile. Shy. Fly. Long O, own. Both. Drove. Glow. Throw. Long U, youth. Huge. Pure. Few. View. Good. I hope you talked along with me.